Welcome to this beginner-friendly WebSocket tutorial, where we will explore how WebSockets function and learn how to implement them. WebSockets allow real-time communication between a client and a server, unlike the conventional HTTP that establishes a new connection for each request. The WebSocket handshake process starts with an HTTP request. The server then responds to upgrade the connection, creating a persistent channel. In real-time applications, WebSockets provide instant data transfer without latency, making them ideal for chat applications, live feeds, and online gaming. Now let's look at how to implement WebSockets in JavaScript. First, we'll create a simple Node.js server to handle WebSocket connections. Here's the code snippet for a basic WebSocket server in Node.js using the W's library. This will listen for connections and handle messages. Next, we'll implement a client-side example using JavaScript that connects to our WebSocket server and sends messages. Here's the client-side code snippet to establish a WebSocket connection and handle incoming messages from the server. And finally, after setting up the server and client, test your WebSocket application by sending messages back and forth.